How's the lighting? It has to be immaculate.
Pasta queen, the queen, pasta queen.
Oh, the basil. The basil.
Oh, we gotta redo it.
Yeah, I think you even got the zoom. Yeah.
There's a lot going on here. So, but do you think we should have this on top of the dish?
No, because there's even better ones.
Oh, okay, good. Oh, yes. I am moisturizing it. Just like, you know, any good face needs a moisturizer. Look at that. This needs to show the curve. Curve, I said. Stop resisting. So now we do another one. Let's do it.
We got it.
Great. Okay, let's start this recipe. I got stuff to do, people to meet, places to be.
Oh, when she knows the light, maybe we can get it.
So shall I go this way, that way?
Try to come from here.
From here?
Yeah.
Okay, story time.
You're gonna.
How's that? Lighting. Today we're doing a spaghetti recipe that is very, very, very close to my home because I love shoes. It's called the Cobbler's Wife Spaghetti because Cobbler's Wife knew best. Let me show you. Oh my God. A bit of chili pepper goes like that. With my bare fingers. And I scrunch the garlic with the bare palm of my hand. Simple recipe, takes 10 minutes, the pasta is boiling, let's toss the pasta instantly. You got it?
Yeah, actually.
Which the photos?
Your bare palms.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
We're putting it in. First of all, we have the pan on a low flame. Now we add equal mixture of pecorino. And mixing it, you are going to break it down gently and slowly. I'm not gonna say just like you are. We need Antonietta. Antonietta la porchetta. Which we have to patent, by the way.
I really like it.
Now we put a beautiful...
Basil leaf.
Oh, I have an idea.
Action.
And now, guys, do you want to know why there's two little mountain top of spaghetti? Simple. The cobbler and his wife. Look how cute they are together. To be enjoyed exclusively with someone who makes you feel good.
That's cute.
We're gonna do 2 forks. Where are the forks? Where's the beautiful forks? Oh no. Those, you know, we only have one. Guys, stop filming me. I'm in distress. Okay, so what we're gonna do here to make it.
Good.
It's gorgeous. Okay. Puts the. It's okay. Wow, so pretty.
I know.
Photos. This is something you don't want to miss, Felipe.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
It's so good, right? So it's a real shame you can't taste it, Felipe. Okay, so just like you are. So so good. What? And a few other shenanigans. Shenanigans. Shenanigans.
Beautiful.
Hi.
How are you?
Here, babe.
Whoa.
Gluten free?
No.
Holy
You want some?
I can't.
holy
One more and then that's it, okay?
holy
One more. Don't try to be cheat.
wow, that's spice. Did you use the oil?
What is it?
It's the cobbler's wife pasta. I mean, it's not gonna kill you, right?
Holy balls. So good.
So good.